Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by confirming the obvious things that often cause poor recordings. Ensure the iPhone is not muted and the volume is above 0 before recording. Open voice memos and record a short sample to test the bottom microphone quality. Then open the camera app and record a quick video to test the front microphone. Remove any phone case and inspect microphone openings for lint or debris. Breathe gently across each microphone opening and listen to the test recordings again. If basic tests fail, move to software and permission checks methodically. Open Settings, then Privacy, then Microphone, and allow the specific app to record audio. Verify the app has access and relaunch the app after changing permissions. Next, open Settings, General, and install any available iOS updates before retesting recording. Restart the iPhone after updating to refresh system audio services and drivers. If problems persist, choose Settings, General. Transfer or reset on software steps fail, focus on careful hardware troubleshooting next. Power off the iPhone and use a soft, dry brush or 1-second burst of compressed air for 5 seconds per microphone opening. Avoid inserting metal objects or liquids into ports to prevent damage. Test again with voice memos after reassembly and removing any case. If the internal microphones still fail, connect a certified external Lightning microphone and record as a workaround. Finally, contact Apple support or schedule a hardware repair if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.